Hi guys, I'm Kenny. Today I would like to introduce the different sizes and uses of the CNC lathe. Small size. Small lathes are generally suitable for processing parts with small dimensions and high accuracy requirements, also often used for precision parts processing in small batch production. For example, clock parts, electronic components, and so on. The maximal processing diameter of our lathe is 3 mm to 32 mm. Middle size. These lathes are usually used to produce medium-sized workpieces and are suitable for a wide range of industrial uses, such as equipment parts. Large size. Large lathes are suitable for processing large workpieces, such as parts for the marine, aerospace, and heavy machinery industries. Well, I hope it will help you in it. That's the end of sharing. See you next time. Bye.